the
Oh, look,
circle
people.
and chat Cartoon Cat.
People.
Yo, what's up, people? I am going to touch y'all. I'm going to touch y'all in the morning beast song. Yo, Gray. Know how to do
What?
tracking glitch?
Huh?
You know how to do tracking glitch?
Actually, always just
No.
hanging around again.
No, okay, let me teach you.
No.
Move out the way, bro. Yo, my viewer's about to die. Guys. Okay, so whoever hand, okay, which hand are you? Which hand are you? Right hand
Like
or left
any
hand?
hand?
Are they coming down or are they
Right
standing up
hand or
there?
left hand?
They're
standing
up there and they're waiting out.
Okay, so you're gonna put your right behind your back, and then you're gonna move it up and down.
Hey,
this.
yo.
I know you look
Hey,
like
guys,
you're thinking you're
I'm trying to
real life.
get into the position to make
Start
someone.
thinking my butt swing.
Watch this. The
I heard
moment
Cartoon
somebody
Cat.
comes near.
I heard a Cartoon Cat.
No,
moment
you
somebody
gotta
comes
put it
near
like
and down.
right here. See
I
it?
heard Cartoon Cat. I heard Cartoon Cat.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
have to put it like right
it.
here.
Oh, Cartoon
Right.
Cat's over there.
No, like put it
Shut
on
up.
your spine,
Shut
like
up.
the middle of your
Shut up.
spine.
Uh-huh.
And then go back a little.
Purple, I don't want
and
the
then
frying pan again.
Move this.
I
and then
want
move it up and
I
down.
want
Now
it.
I'm gonna touch you.
I will mace you. It's Cartoon Cat.
On my way to LT.
Where did he just come from? Where did Cartoon Cat come from?
Bring it back to me.
Guys, bring Cartoon Cat to base.
Cartoon Cat. We're going to base, get it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're so dead. Go over here, go to base. Oh. 7 months, boy.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
This is
yo.
scary.
Hey,
Guys, this is scary.
Hey, yo.
Told you I was listening to
Somebody just moaned, bro.
We're on that way to Grand Prix. Go that way.
Holy. We're on our way to Epsom.
Oh, God, he's there. Oh, Cosmic. Go to
Oh,
base.
God.
Go to base. Go
Find
to
out.
base, bro. Cosmic, run. JCG,
But
bro.
it's the way, yo. I'm not doing this.
Wait, bring it to house. Closer to the house.
I need to get it through the hook.
No, stop going in circles. Go,
Huh?
Red, go.
Wait.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Where is
I didn't know what you were
on our way to Grand
Yeah, but you sound very low.
No.
I'm
It
not
says
making
we're on
no
our way to
time,
Epsom.
bro.
So that's where all those
Long
black
time no,
spikes were.
long time no see, bro.
Your
We're on
voice
our
sounds
way to
very
Jefferson.
low.
Go.
Long time no see. We're on our way to Grand Prix.
Where do you use tracking glitch?
I knew it was a waypoint. Yo, I'm the only person that stayed patient.
And then we're Cartoon Cat, and then with the mother left, they just went back to roll with Cartoon Cat chasing around the base. And then.
We're on our way to Grand Prix.
Saying what?
What?
No, it's
Bring them the base.
No, damn it. I swear I just heard a siren head.
What?
Oh, I see base.
Base. He's bringing him to base. He's bringing Cartoon Cat to base.
I see him.
Genesis. Wait, that's Cartoon. Wait, Logan, can you
Cartoon.
check my phone? Oh, he's at base. So you can cast?
Cartoon Kitty. He just got into base.
Genesis. No, my
Dude, he just got into base. He just got into base.
Hold on, let me just do this real quick. Don't close the door, controller is
Bro, no, bro.
Yes,
Bro,
No,
open the door.
upstairs.
Bring him
Bring him
upstairs.
upstairs. Oh my gosh, I
Open the door.
Bro, my controller's dead. Use the glitch.
Ah.
Use the
You
mod.
open the door.
Open
Somebody
the door.
open.
Like, use the mod. Galaxy. Open the
Wait,
door.
Epstein.
Open the door.
Don't get him out. Don't get him out. Don't get him out. Don't get
That's
him
why we
out.
said lead him
Don't get him out.
upstairs.
Don't get him out. Don't get him out.
No, we're
No,
not doing that.
we won't get him
We're not
out. We
doing
won't get
that.
him out.
Hello.
We're not buzzkills. Oh,
We're on our way to Grampy's.
we're not
What the? There's a ghost. What the? There's a freaking ghost. What? What is it? What is it going on?
Guys, don't bring him to Grampy's house. I'm gonna kill bring him to Grampy's house. He's in a bad Everyone join. Everyone join.
Why is there 2 blocks with watermelon hats?
Everyone in the live stream, join the server right now. Everyone in the live
There's
stream, join
cartoon
the server
cat.
right now. Everyone join the server. It's the other place. Come here, frick you guys. Frick you guys.
Oh my.
Get it back in.
Bro, stop! Open the door.
No, open the freaking door. Actually, open.
I didn't put it.
Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in!
Why would you close the door?
Bro, stop!
Hey, he's coming.
Open the door. Good.
Oh my god.
Yo, Culture Cat just got in. I know.
No,
that.
no, no, we were upstairs.
Let me play Force for once, actually.
No, run,
Hey, what's up?
Bring him upstairs, you chuds.
Bring him upstairs. Go wait up there.
Calling out chuds. RP calling out chuds. Bring him upstairs.
Chud.
Oh, shit.
Can't you guys just stand here?
Wait, go on.
Oh, y'all actually just got chill.
Open your door. Kitty, it's okay. Kitty, hit it.
Bad cat, bad cat, bad cat.
Bad cat, bad cat.
Bad cat, stop eating all the monkeys.
Oh my days.
Oh, you fucking
Oh
Snickers.
my god, bro. Y'all are so
Just go into this hallway, actually, for once.
Dude, imagine joining the server and just see
You freaking.
It's on its way to Switzerland. Switzerland. Bro, he's doing the Switzerland. Does it sound Carcat? Switzerland World Cup. Wow! Wow! Grampy's. Guys, don't bring him to Grampy's. We're on.
You
Wait, did you put the back Bro, you need to start recording bro. For like a week. Oh my god.
Run.
Come on. Go, Galaxy, go. Bro. We need people on the stairs. We need people on the stairs. Bro, Cartoon. What the? No, hit him. Hey, the guy. Bro, he's scared of me, bro. Let's bring it to Shepard's house. Austin, are you recording?
Yeah.
Why are you in the back, bro? Guys, get here. Big bad. Oh my god, actually,
I think he's trying to cartoon.
you can't reach.
Yo, that's
Bad cat.
Yeah, bad boy, buddy.
We're not bringing you to Grampy's house. Bad cat, we're not bringing you to Grampy's house. How are you feeling about it? You know what's better? Chick-fil-A.
I knew what was gonna happen in the first place.
Oh my god, he's actually on his way to Grampy's. He's on his way to Bendy's.
We're on our way to Bendy's on special company. Get
Open the door, open the door.
He's over here. I see him.
Boys
Over there.
hacking so bad right now. Over there.
Yo, it's like
Someone's winning him away.
It's in my booty. It's in my
Yo,
booty.
everyone report this kid for griefing. Everyone report this kid on Discord for griefing.
Well, unfortunately, I can't report people to.
Griefing is when you're in a private server. You go in.
I see him. He's over here.
He's right here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes, we got him.
Nah, she's.
Turn around.
I picked the chunny.
Yes.
Bring up the bridge.
I'm back in the
It's in my butt. It's in my butt. It's in my butt.
Butt cheeks.
Yo, they trying to
Butt cheeks. Bring your cheeks to the house.
Keep the heart.
Yo, Blue, you're fucking son. Bro.
I swear to God, this beach is just over there. Oh my
Hey,
fucking
Blue, I
God,
hope you die by cartoon cat head. Yeah, bro, I hope you die in a fire too.
Yeah, bro.
Come on.
Bring it to base. Bring it to base.
He's going to hell. He's going to hell. He's going to hell.
Let me bypass, actually.
He's going to hell, bro.
Guys, bring Cartoon Cat to house. Bring Cartoon Cat to house.
Report this nigga right here. Report this fucking nigga right here. I'm coming.
Wow, holy racist. Someone said the N-word.
Hey, Carrie, still my life. Just break him off already.
Guys, wait Cartoon Cat to brick house.
God dang, bro. Just report him already, bro. Oh my God. He's shooting. Whoa, they don't know me, son. 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 They don't know me, son.
Bring him to the brick house.
Yeah. Close the door.
Help. Yeah, go outside. Close the door.
Oh my god.
Guys, wait Cartoon Cat to brick house.
How you fucking
Is he actually on his way to grab people?
You fucking did it. Look at him. Look at him. He's like a car or something, bro. He's
going
on.
Rob built like a car. Oh my god.
Bro, it's
Galaxy move, bro. Break them to brick house. Break them to house.
Bring it to house.
Bring them to house. Bring them to house.
What's house? What's house?
Follow me. Follow me. Just follow me. Go to house. Go to house.
Everyone go to house.
Go to house. The kitty.
Where we're bringing
Come on.
Yeah.
Whoa! What the frick?
Holy
Get out.
niggas are dead.
Yo, this guy's flying, bro.
I think Red just died.